here in Avondale, the Friendship Park. It's a wonderful family experience. 2024, we're in March. It's a beautiful weather. It's cold, but it's camping. As you can see in the background, there are several multiple families out here, and we're just enjoying. We're having fun. Peace out. God bless you. See you in the next video. Unforgettable captures. Capturing unforgettable memories.
Is facing multiple organ failures. Ooh. What's a tiger snake? I go crazy.
You know where the boys took off?
Yeah, I just, where did they go for this? They walked that way with the soccer ball. They're having a blast, man.
Tell me your experience here and now. How's your experience right now at this moment in Avondale camping at Friendship Park 2024?
We're having a great time. It's forcing you to actually chill. It feels good.
Does it force you to get off your phone and TikTok and all that?
I barely just started charging my phone, sir. I haven't been incommunicated from any kind of social media for about a few hours now. So
Okay, let's move on.
Thank you.
Let's go see. Let's go get a young buck. Let's go get a young girl here, a youngster. Excuse me. What do you think about camping here at Tolleson? No, Avondale. Avondale here at Friendship Park.
Fun.
Wow, she sounds very exciting. You can feel the energy. All right, guys. Well, as you can see, we have an extreme experience camping. We got tents, we got chairs, we got people, we got duckies, we got cell phones, we got drinks. That's water.
Giselle was like, have fun while I plug it up in my
Telling
bag.
you, that's it.